Looking to learn a new knitting technique? Or revisit one you haven't done in a while? In this series, Rosee Woodland demonstrates different stitches and techniques, and she shares some great tips, from choosing your needle size to how to avoid creating a flare with too many stitches. You'll learn the basics: how to cast on, the knit stitch, how to purl, and how to cast off. And you'll learn stitches such as 2x2 rib, moss stitch, yarn over stitches, and tog knitting, to name but a few. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our videos for as little as £5 a month. You can also purchase a series or individual workshops to create your own personal library with on-demand access. Happy knitting!